We are back again
I think I've been
in
here
this
before.
place
I think I've been here before.
because we left something valuable, so valuable. So we are in the middle. We're in the middle of the road going to the city, but we opted to go down and ride again. To be honest, I want to run already. Actually, there's only. Huh? Hopefully, hopefully. So look at our steps. How fast and we're having a. Hala, Elspin, naunsa naman in taon ka? Buhugaw naman kay. Woo! Still hoping that it's there. Yay! It's there! Allah. Ah, it's there! It's there! Oh! It's there! It's really tiresome. Just for that piece of things that we left. But it's worth it.